I just...
Not again! My veil! My veil! No! My veil! Oh, my veil! Oh, my veil! My veil! Where are my keys? My keys. Oh, my veil! Oh, my veil! Sister Velo!
My shoe!
Sister Velo! Sister Velo! Un grito de júbilo!
Sister Velo! Here you go! Thank you, Sister Velo! No problem. Another sister saved! Hi, I'm Sister Velo. And I got a message for all your sisters. You forgot your Velo? Don't worry, Sister Velo's here.
Who made it to heaven and what made it to heaven? What do you guys think? How about you?
Wait, where are your guys' Velos?
Under God! Oh no! What are we gonna do?
I know someone. Don't need to worry, Sister Velo's here. Thank you, Sister Velo.